Welcome to another how-to video. How to double your power and legend of a mushroom. Hey gamers, today let me show you how you can double your power and legends of mushroom. I'll explain it to you as simple as it is. The answer to that is Quick Enhance. Quick Enhance can be seen in skills by clicking character on the bottom left of your screen and click skill. Now click Enhance. Same goes to pals by clicking pal beside character. Click Quick Enhance. Same goes to Mount by clicking Mount, which is I don't have right now. Then click Empower. Now click Quick Empower. And there you go. You have now doubled your power and legend of a mushroom. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.